Now we are going to see reciprocals. So reciprocals, before you are going to the divisions of fraction, because reciprocal is very important for division, because without reciprocal we can't solve the sum, especially in division of fractions. So listen, reciprocals, what does it mean? Two numbers whose product is 1 are called reciprocals. Two numbers whose product is 1 are called reciprocals. Reciprocals are otherwise called multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Look at an example. If I give a proper example, definitely you will understand the meaning of reciprocal. Now I am going to solve the sum. So look at the number is 5. So 5 is a whole number. What is a reciprocal of 5 means? You have to write 5, there is no denominator. First, it is a 5 is a what? A whole number. So you have to make it as a fraction first. So whole number becomes as a fraction. So 5, that means 5 by 1, because there is no denominator. You have to assume or you have to consider 1 as a denominator. So 5 divided by 1. Next, what you are going to do? So reciprocal means 5 by 1s. So it is a multiplicative inverse. So what you are going to do? 1 by 5. You change over the upside down. That is 1 by 5. So 5 is a what? 5 is a whole number. After that you have to convert the whole number as a fraction. Then you have to what? Make it as a reciprocal. For example, 5 by 1 means, that is reciprocal of 5 by 1 is what? 1 by 5. That is called as a multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse, or else what do you call it as? Reciprocal. Why should I say reciprocal is very important? Because without reciprocal you can't solve the division of fractions. So it is a basic thing. That is what I am telling you. So you just cancel it. 5 by 5, so you cross the number, same, you can get 1. Here also 1. So 1 into 1 you can get 1, divided the same 1 into 1 you can get 1. So 1 divided by 1 you can get is 1 is the answer. That is what is given. So 5, if we cross 5 by 5 you can get 1. So 5 by 5 cross with 5 you can get 1 here also 1. So 1 into 1 you can get 1. So here also 1 divided by, so 1 into 1 you can get 1. So 1 divided by 1 the same. Otherwise just simply cross, you can get 1 into 1, you can get 1. So two numbers whose product 1 are called two numbers. This is one number, this is another number. This is one fraction, another one is a fraction. So one number and another number, one fraction or another fraction. So two numbers whose product I am going to multiply. The final answer I can get what? 1. So two numbers whose product 1 are called as reciprocal. So I will give some other example. Look at the number. This is a whole number. First I will convert whole number into fraction. After that, what I have done, I have to what? I have to make it as a reciprocal. That 5 by 1 means you have to write upside down. You can get 1 by 5 is a reciprocal. After that I cross the number, then final answer is 1. So two numbers whose product 1 are called as reciprocal. Now the same, reciprocal is otherwise called as a multiplicative inverse. Look at this, 3 by 4, it is a fraction. Second example, 3 by 4, it is a fraction. So multiplicative inverse means, I have told you that is 3 by 4 becomes upside down, what will go? 4 by 3. So 4 by 3. So now I am going to cancel everything. 3 by 3 is a cancel. Same numbers are cancelled. 4 by 4 is cancelled. So I can get 1. Here also 1. So 1 divided by 1, you can get 1 is the answer. So anyhow, this is one fraction. Another one is a fraction. So there are two numbers and two fractions. Multiply two numbers whose product 1 is called as what? Multiplicative inverse. Otherwise we can call it as reciprocal. So two numbers whose product 1 are called reciprocal. Reciprocal otherwise called as multiplicative inverse. So this is the basic and fundamental thing of divisions of fraction.